I'm so awkward. This is my first like talk through video. Okay. So you read from the title that this is going to be first impressions of SolBody's dry shimmering oil, and I am so excited. I've had this package sitting in my other room for like weeks. I'm so excited to try this stuff out. Like, it's in the package still. Right here. Oh, I'm dying. I haven't opened it yet. Oh my god, I'm just so excited. So let's get to it. Like, why wait? I'll open it with you guys. All this bubble wrap, which by the way is this bullshit bubble wrap. Like, you can't pop these. The air travels like all the way through these like rows. What the fuck is this? What is this? So I bought the collection. It comes with 4 shades and a little Kabuki brush to blend it all in. Okay, okay. I love how like flat and dense it is. It's really, really soft though. It's like really, really soft. I picked up the shade Warm Gold. This is heavy. Okay, bitch. This is a nice, like, I love a heavy package. Don't we all? So it's settling down at the bottom. That's pretty normal. I'm sure you have to shake it. I'll go and do that right now. So I'm gonna get them all out first and then we'll swatch. Up next. It is soft gold. Running the race. I don't, just a guess. This is gonna be my favorite. I think, you know, just a guess. The shimmer looks so fine in here. It's like a micro glitter. All of them are this nice heavy packaging. This is gonna be a little dark for me because I am a pale bitch. ASMR. You like that? So I'm gonna be doing swatches along my shoulders, my collarbones, arms, just the whole shebang. I'm gonna start with platinum here. That's beautiful. I feel like I just want to like model my hand now. I'm just like, oh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, that smells good. Oh, girl! I'm the worst at describing scents. It just smells like summery and like kind of coconut-y. Huh. Interesting. I have the products sitting on a little table in front of me right now, and I just noticed that the lid that was sitting down left a really nasty oil spot on my table. And I did just notice that the lid here, I don't know if you can see that, but it's cracked. I don't know how the lid broke. I don't think I manhandled it or anything. But feeling it now, the lid is actually like really oily. Like the lid, it does feel cheap. It feels plastic. The rest of the packaging feels really nice. The pump was really nice. It didn't take me 10 hours to get any product out. It like came out after a few pumps. The pump's a little messy. You can see that the pump is just like, it kind of gathers around the base of it, and I can see that that could get really messy over time. So I'm gonna put a little of this on my collarbone. That comes out fast. You don't really have much control over how much you're putting out. It definitely does feel oily, but it dries pretty quickly on the fingers. So my fingers actually feel pretty dry. The glitter is like all fucking over them, so this brush is really gonna come in handy for the larger parts of the body. But yeah, it's pretty. So I'm gonna go on to soft gold. So here is soft gold. So I said that the soft gold was gonna be my favorite, like I felt it. You know, sometimes your feelings are wrong. And I was wrong. This is too subtle. I'm an extra bitch. Let me put this on the back of my hand, soft gold, so you guys can see what that looks like. I do love the texture. The texture is really smooth, extremely light. Does not feel like it's gonna stay oily on your body. If you've ever used a dry oil before, it does actually feel like that. And like I said with the platinum, the pump is actually getting a little messy already. I've only pumped it a couple times and it's gathered up at the top. The lid on this one though is not broken, so there's that. We have that going for us. Actually, I'm pretty excited for this one because you can see in the bottle that warm gold has a chunkier glitter to it. So here it is. Okay, we're taking a minute. Guys, I think the pump's broken on this one. I'm gonna inspect it real fast. Oh, you know, interesting. When I opened this, there was a big chunk at the bottom that I think may have been like clogging it. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna close it up. Let's try this again. See if, oh, it was clogged. It was just clogged. Let's pump warm gold onto this Kabuki brush. I don't know how much I need. Ooh, okay. Oh, this applies it so well, guys. You need the brush, or you need a Kabuki brush, a nice like flat synthetic brush like this, because this applies it beautifully. Ooh. Oh. Oh. No. I almost think that it's gonna be better to apply directly to the skin and then blend it out. So I'm gonna do that with the bronze shade. But it's not adding a ton of color either though. So you could absolutely still use this if you're a pale bitch and you're not JLO. Again, I just kind of want to like pose with my hands like Vogue. The price of these individually is $15. Like $15 for a nice, heavy package, 3 ounces of product. You get 3 ounces here. This is gonna last a week for me. No, this is gonna last a long time, honestly, especially for like the normal person. It's gonna last. If I remember correctly, the collection that I bought was $40. I bought this Colourpop, and I don't see the collection on there anymore. I'm not sure if it was limited or what, but the collection was so worth it. For $40, you get 4 beautiful shimmer oils. You get this synthetic Kabuki brush, which is like beautiful, and it spreads it so much better than your hands, so you don't get glittery hands like me. For $15, I can't be too mad at the plastic lid that broke, the fact that it's a little messy. These are just things I wanted to make sure I told you guys, but I don't find them to be a deal breaker either. I'm just kind of like, woo! Oh. Oh. I'm sorry. I smell so good. So yeah, that was my first impressions on SolBody. Like, that's the first time I've purchased anything from them. It's affordable. It's a great product, beautiful packaging, and also just Colourpop. I love Colourpop. Like, I've purchased way too much from them. Go be a shiny bitch, like me. And these are my final thoughts. I don't like being negative, and this is gonna be one of my first videos, and I didn't want my, like, one of my very first videos to be a negative review. Oh well, because it has some issues. Cap being cheap. I noticed afterwards that my clothes are stained. And also the pump isn't great, so it kind of spurted out at me a couple times. I'll unfold it, see? I have my shirt kind of folded in right now, but because it was touching it, it stained it. Look at this. It's a new nipple. It literally spurted right on my boob. It's not a good look, honestly. It's not. Just use your best judgment. And if you want to, maybe don't wear white, though. Bye. Bye, guys. I can't wait to get to know you guys more, and I'm gonna be posting so many more videos. Please like and subscribe. I promise so much more is to come. I will so appreciate it. So, bye.